Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you how to create this masked text effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first, I need to add the text. In this case, that will be the waves. Just increasing the size a bit. Move into the center and select all. I just change the font. This Lilita one looks good for me. And just rotating just a bit. Maybe it's too much, like this. Okay. And I go into the elements and searching for waves in graphics. And now I have to find a wave where I can change the color. I think like this. Purple. Yes. I can change it. Even as this one also a bit. And try to flip. This is not so good. I'm looking for another one. Look at this. Yellowish. So if I change to black, okay. Increasing the size. Yes, that one is better. Like this. Yes. So this is a page number 2. I have to download it. Increasing the size to the maximum. Select the page number 2. Download it. Then I removing the waves. Doing the same, increasing the size. And download page number 2. Download. And this one with the waves, I'm just increasing the size, and removing the background. It's good. And with the second one, no, sorry, I need the top one with the waves. So I will have to combine this text with this image. Going to the apps, searching for a blend image, select blend image, clear. So bottom layer has to be the ocean with the waves, and the second one, that the top layer has to be the text. And as you can see, it's already made it. And the blend mode, I use multiply. I'm going to the last page and just adding to the design, increasing the size, removing the background also, and going to the edit, shadow, glow. Going to the position, I swap the position, doing the same with the top layer, shadow, glow. And as you can see, this already have this nice effect. And even we would like to add some additional background, we can doing it. Just moving one image, second one, going to the background, and now just let we have this gradient background with the glow. Shadow effect, this looks very nice. And it's really, you can see that now this pretty amazing text effect was created in a few minutes with a very easy technique. And of course, you can combine lots of different things in a Canva. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in a comment section if I miss something, or if you're struggling anything in a Canva, I try to answer as soon as possible. Please check my Facebook page also, where you can find lots of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. And you can find also a bunch of text to image, or from now text to video prompts for AI image and video generation for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description. And next to the link for the Facebook page, you can find also the link for my Instagram and TikTok page, where you can find also another short tutorials about Canva. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.